Welcome to the Mining Newsflash at Commodity-TV today with Aurania Resources, Bluestone Resources, Canada Nickel, Copper Mountain Mining and Condor Gold on Commodity-TV. Aurania Resources is awarded the first 6 of 393 mineral exploration concessions applied for, covering approximately 384,000 hectares in northern Peru. The application for this extensive package of concessions was made to cover potential extensions of sedimentary copper-silver grade identified across the border at the company's Lost Cities Cutucu project in southeastern Ecuador. The initial concessions granted are part of a larger block adjacent to the joint venture between Henan Metals and the Japanese JOGMEC Corporation. Bluestone Resources announced additional high-grade drill results from their 2020 completed drill program at the south zone of the Cerro Blanco Gold project. Results from 4 underground holes and 10 surface holes totaling 3,428 meters included drill results of 6.2 meters grading 29 grams gold and 30 grams silver per ton, and wide intercepts including 101 meters grading 2.4 grams gold per ton. In 2020, a total of 15,171 meters of infill drilling was successfully completed in the south zone of the project with the objective of improving the definition of key veins while expanding the mineralization of known veins outside the current resource envelope. Due to pandemic-related delays at the labs, their evaluation is ongoing and results are pending for an additional 17 drill holes. Bluestone shall be in production in 2022, and we view the stock as massively undervalued. Canada Nickel has entered into a binding letter of intent with Noble Mineral Exploration to option additional claims adjacent to the original option from 13th July 2020 on the McDiarmid property. Airborne geophysics and a compilation of historical exploration activity led to the identification of the new McDiarmid target, which is 1.8 kilometers long and averages 400 meters width, 15% larger than the original Crawford main zone discovery. Canada Nickel has already applied for exploration permits and expects to begin drilling in early March. Copper Mountain Mining announced strong financial and operating results for the fourth quarter and full year 2020. For Q4 2020, record quarterly production of 29.1 million pounds of copper equivalent, consisting of 23.1 million pounds of copper, almost 9,000 ounces of gold and almost 145,000 ounces of silver was achieved. Total 2020 annual production was 77.6 million pounds of copper, significantly exceeding guidance of 70 to 75 million pounds. Total AISC was fantastic low, $1.58 per pound of copper in Q4, down 30% year over year. For the full year, AISC decreased 18% to $1.69, which is also fantastic. Revenue for Q4 2020 was $106 million and for the full year was over $347 million, which is an 18.4% improvement from 2019. Cash and cash equivalents at the end of 2020 were $85.6 million, an increase of $32 million from the end of the third quarter of 2020 and an increase of over $53.4 million from 31st December 2019. Copper Mountain Mining expects the low-cost profile to continue in 2021, with production increasing by up to 22% to a range of 85 to 95 million pounds of copper. The production increase will be driven by higher grades as well as higher throughput and recoveries following the commissioning of the 45,000 ton per day mill expansion, which is scheduled for completion in the third quarter of 2021. Condor Gold has issued 7.9% of the company's existing share capital in the form of new ordinary shares in a private placement to generate gross proceeds of £4 million. Following the placement, Condor will have a net cash position of approximately £8 million. Proceeds from the placement will be used to advance the La India project further towards production and expand the gold mineral resource. Our companies continue to impress, and we are very positive about precious metals markets and mining stocks. My team and or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.